Fresh made mayonnaise is a fantastic thing. It's not as complicated as you might think it is, and it's not really as much of a hassle as you might think it is. It's simply egg yolks, some seasoning, and a little bit of acid. In this case we're going to use lemon juice, but you could use a little bit of vinegar instead. I'm going to put some mustard in as well. Mustard's a great emulsifier, so it helps the egg yolks with their emulsifying properties, and it also tastes good. So there's my lemon juice. The most important thing with mayonnaise is that everything's at a similar temperature. So the eggs are at room temperature. And then we pour the oil in very, very gradually. As we've said plenty of times in this course, eggs can only absorb another liquid gradually, otherwise they freak out and curdle or split. I've got a tiny stream of oil and I'm pouring it straight onto the beaters, so it's incorporated quite quickly and easily. As the mayonnaise starts to thicken, I can go a little bit faster, but easy does it is the way forward. I'm going to keep beating. I haven't got a strict recipe for the amount of oil that goes in, because depending on the size of the eggs or the density of the oil, it might take a little bit more or a little bit less. All you need to know is that you keep pouring the oil in until the mayonnaise is as thick as you'd like. If you want it quite thin, you can stop a bit earlier. It will get thicker and thicker and thicker with the more oil that's added. Eventually it will curdle and split, but it will be quite thick by the time you get to that point. What is important is the oil that you're using. Straight olive oil can be quite bitter and will ruin the mayonnaise, so I like to use a mix of olive oil and vegetable oil and taste it, because it's the main ingredient in this mayonnaise, so too much olive oil might be a little bit overpowering.